This particle title intro template will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Font changing feature available on Premiere Pro 2019 or above version. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the template. Select the template according to your Premiere Pro version. Place the template on the timeline. This is a heavy template, so change playback resolution to 1:4. Here you can change the main text. Change subtext from here. Premiere Pro 2019 or above version user can change the font from here. Change the main text and subtext color from here. Scale main text and change its position from here. The main text tracking amount can be changed from here. Change title background color from here. Template background color can be changed from here. If you want to use circle or square in place of rectangle, it can be enabled or disabled from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.